One day, a little bird was flying over a big forest. Suddenly, it saw a piece of bread on the ground. Excited, the bird flew down and grabbed it. Just then, a hungry fox appeared. "Little bird," sighed the fox, "you have such a beautiful voice. Would you sing for me?" The bird knew the fox was trying to trick it, so it held the bread tightly in its beak and shook its head. The fox tried again. "Please, just one song. I love your singing." The bird thought for a second. Then it flew to a tree, placed the bread on a branch, and sighed, "Now I can sing." It sang a sweet tune while keeping the bread safe. The fox was angry and walked away hungry. Moral: stay smart and don't fall for sweet words.